Oh, how's everybody doing? Boy, it's been a while since I've been in front of this camera talking to you guys. Oh boy, man, I don't know. I'm going into this completely unscripted, but the last time I recorded a video was with the black Ford Focus with the valve cover gasket replacement. That was last summer, so that's a while ago. Well, not last summer, this past summer. But yeah, I don't know. Boy, it's December now, December 7th. Yeah, I don't know. My birthday is on January 28th, and I'm 14 right now. My banner on YouTube says 14. So I'm going to have to change that to 15 pretty soon. You know, I mean, I probably should say this, but obviously I know that when I'm 20 and 30, people are going to be watching Teen Mechanic anymore if I'm 20 and 30 years old. So, you know, that's why I have to really take advantage of these years. I've got many years ahead of me of good content, and that's what I want to do. That's why I say at the end of every video, let me know what you want to see, because I really do want to bring you guys what you want to see. But let me catch you up on certain things that you've missed. Now not that you've missed. This is not your fault. This is my fault because I haven't been exactly bringing a lot of content to the channel, unfortunately. Since that black Ford Focus, I have owned 5 other cars. The first, no, actually, you know what? That's not true. I sold the Focus, but no, I've owned 10 cars now in total. So the first was the white Grand Prix, which you guys have seen, which you guys saw, and 2 vans, which you guys didn't see. Those, unfortunately, the red van, I think I spoke about it in an update video I did, and that was the red van, a red Chevy Venture. The one I had of that was a blue Pontiac Montana, so same thing, with really low mileage, one owner, and then I had the blue Crown Victoria, which I still have, which you guys have seen, and right now my stepdad is driving that, and I figured, you know, I mean, I'm 14 and I live in Alberta, and Alberta has like the lowest driving age in the world, so I have my driver's license. It's called a learner's permit, class 7, so I can drive with somebody else with me that has a non-GDL, non-probationary, regular driver's license. So I can't drive it by myself. I can't register it. So I gave it to my stepdad because he sold his car, and I thought, hey, you know what? Save some money, let him drive that. I'm going to have that pretty soon, though. Then 5th, I had that black Ford Focus. 6th, I had another identical blue Crown Victoria, although it was a 96, and not a 97. And the blue Crown Victoria, same blue. It had a red pinstripe, had pretty much no rust on it. I can put a picture up on screen right now, actually. And it was in very good shape. It had 175,000 kilometers, and mine has 299 now. So crazy difference there. And you know, so anyway, I regret selling that car, actually. 7th was a white Oldsmobile Alero. Now that one had hail damage. I bought it. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I saw that it was in mint condition, like it was perfect. The engine looked like it was brand new. It looked like it was swapped. If you guys don't know, I live in Calgary, Alberta, obviously, and the hail damage, there's a northeast hailstorm that ravaged that quadrant of the city, and that was in the summer. And there has been thousands, and I mean thousands of cars that have gone through Copart with clean titles that are riddled in hail damage. So I bought that white Alero. I ended up selling it. I don't know how much I made. It was negligible. But so I made some money on the Alero, but not much. And, you know, so I bought it, cleaned it, I guess, and then I just sold it because I didn't have room for it. Then 8th was a gold Oldsmobile Alero, Champagne actually, that I still have, that's in the back garage, that I have to get rid of. It's had some black mold in it. I got rid of that safely. But, you know, it has 117,000 kilometers on. The average is 285,000 kilometers. Keep in mind, this is kilometers, so I live in Canada. You know, so I need to get rid of it, but it has brand new winter tires all the way around, runs brand new. I know the 3.4 liter V6s had some head gasket issues. My red van did. I replaced it. I replaced many of those head gasket issues. I think that's pretty cool that me as a 14-year-old can pull engines, rebuild transmissions, and replace head gaskets and figure it out as I go. I think that's pretty cool. That's kind of what my motto is. So then 9th, I had a 2003 Honda Civic that was silver, and boy, oh boy, that was a train wreck. I bought that thing for $539, way too much, and I don't know, by the end I had $960, $70 into it, and it was ridiculous, and I sold it for $600, so I lost money on that. And I bought it I bought that with the intent to flip it. I bought that intending to see what I could do. And I thought, hey, Civic, but it was so terrible. I can put a picture up on screen right now. I don't know, you probably can't tell from the pictures, but so bad, so bad. It had rust eating through the quarter panels. It had so much hail damage. It was ridiculous. And I mean, it had lower mileage for a Civic, but it was such a terrible vehicle. Anyway, and the timing belt was all cracked on it too, so I had to take a giant chunk off the price for that. Anyway, then 10th, I mean, before I get into that, you guys saw the title and thumbnail. Yeah, my Crown Vic is completely parted out, totally ruined. No, I told you my stepdad's driving that. This here is the 10th one. So I had a 1993 green Crown Victoria, a deep jewel green, whatever, metallic. Anyway, so I bought that. So I found it listed for $2,500, and the guy, gave me a call actually and said, listen, before you drive out to Airdrie, which is a city north of Calgary, he said, so a lady took it to get it inspected, and it didn't pass because there was a rot hole in the frame, right where the suspension bolts to. And I know those things suffer from frame rot. So, I thought, okay, whatever. I felt bad for the guy because he paid $2,000, bought it from his uncle. So I gave him $800 for the car, and it ran and drove perfectly. It was an LX, leather seats, everything. But anyway, so then I gave him $800, towed it home, great. Anyway, so then I realized that there's nothing I could do aside from swap the frame. So I cut the roof off, which was still not a great idea. And I took a couple of swings at it with a sledgehammer. I let my brother and his friends do that too. I took all the parts. I've got $1,000-ish worth of parts behind me. And boy, that's a lot of parts to get anywhere near $1,000. But I have 4 brand new Michelin tires and 4 LX rims, so that's good. But anyway, that was the 10th one, and that I got paid a grand total of $60 from the junkyard for that. So anyway, that was pretty cool. It was a good experience, even though it was terrible, which, I don't know, figured out. But anyway, so that's what you've missed car-wise. And I have my eye on something from the auction right now, winning the bid for $90 from Copart, and it's in really rough shape. But I think I can do something with it. Anyway, I'll keep that a secret. You'll know either way. If I don't win it or if I do win it, you'll know what it was. So anyway, that's it. I got a haircut, if you didn't notice. My hair was 6-ish inches long, so I had to get a haircut. And I cut that just a few weeks ago, but it looks and feels so much better. But yeah, that's about anything else that you've missed. But anyway, that's all I can think of. Hopefully I can bring you guys some good content to the channel soon. I don't know what I'm going to do, but something good hopefully soon. But anyway, I don't know. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike, but don't just dislike it to spread negativity. Dislike it and then give me your feedback in the comments. Don't hate on me in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you want to see, improved. If I can improve in any way, please let me know. But other than that, thank you guys very much for watching. Share it with someone who you think might also find it useful or enjoyable even, or someone who wants to be caught up with my content. But yeah, or what content is there anyway. But again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 9:49, 10 more seconds.